go find out though.
Wait, you want me to open the back door?
We'll get him. No, we'll get him. We'll get him. We'll get him. Let me find something. Here.
How big is he?
I don't know. Neema's the only one that saw him.
Was it under there? Get out. He has the right hand too.
Alright, I see him. I see him.
Oh,
He's
he's
a
right
small bird.
Oh,
It's a little bird?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we ain't gonna worry about that. I was gonna put him in here.
Wait, it's a.
that's where.
Oh, that's a crow. That's the same crow.
That's
No, that's not a crow.
Oh shit. He's flying.
What the shit? What is that basket gonna do?
He's gonna put it in the basket.
It can fly.
Will you record this part?
Get a napkin and put it over the basket.
We're gonna get him. Yeah, put this right there. We're gonna get him.
Come on, Pat, get it.
Come see, little bird.
Watch
Oh,
gonna get
my
the damn
God.
bird flu.
Get on out of here. Alright, come on.
Oh,
Poor
he's
little
pretty.
thing. Come
He's
on.
pretty.
Come on.
But I don't like
Alright,
him.
y'all shoot it that way, towards the.
Oh, wait.
He's gonna come out.
Poor little thing.
Yeah, he's gonna come out. Come on.
We have snacks.
Oh, he's a
Push him
baby
this way.
bird.
Look, take that little.
Where's he at?
Come on.
In the corner.
Come see.
Shut those doors.
Come on. 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 No, don't let him back in there. Close that door. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I guess your basket
Are
worked.
you ready? Here we go.
Oh!
He might be injured.
No, he's all right. Leave him be. There he goes. He's fine.